Welcome back to our channel. It's Ryan's favorite day today. Farm chores.
Welcome to today. Today's gonna be fun. We are out doing chores and we're gonna be cutting goat hoofs, and this day sucks.
Last night I asked Ryan, are you ready? Do you want to hear the farm chore list tonight or tomorrow? And he said, you know how much I love surprises.
Yeah.
Anyway, I have a list of things that I could do by myself, but it's so much easier when he helps me.
She's never done them by herself before.
I've cleaned the waters out by myself.
Yes.
And I have given the dogs a bath. And I have trimmed bushes by myself.
Me too. Me and Dad do
I've never sewn flaps for the litter.
Wait, you've never... Oh, you've trimmed rose bushes. That's a new one. She just put that on this morning.
No, I didn't. I had that on there last night. I
All
said,
right.
do you want to hear it last night? And you said, no, I'd
Okay.
rather not know what I'm getting into tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to be sewing some flaps for the kitty litter. We're going to be processing a couple ducks, goat hoofs, dog bath, dog nails. There's one thing on here that I didn't put on there. There's one more thing. I have to go start Squirt's bath right now.
All right, let's get started. Actually, breakfast first.
Ryan's gonna eat. I don't really eat breakfast. Because the temperature outside is above 40 degrees, I start on Squirt's bath. Wow, I'm dropping everything. Squirt is our 15-year-old sulcata tortoise. He has a burn on his shell that we are trying to heal. We just got him about 20 days ago. Might be on day 21. I have a whole series about Squirt. So I just start his bath going, and then I pull him right out. Squirt stays in here for 30 minutes. The humidity is helping his shell recover. Squirt has been in here for 30 minutes, so I'm going to pull the plug. He's got his heat lamp and humidity going. He can move to or away from that light. I think he's really getting used to this. We do this once or twice a day. Just depends on how chilly it is in this bathroom. If it's below 60 in this bathroom, we do not give him a second bath in the evening. Or it depends on, like last night, it was 40 degrees when we brought him in, and we didn't want him bouncing from a super cold temperature to a really hot temperature, so we just did not get him wet at that point. So it depends on how cold it is outside. If we bring him in and it was in the 50s, then I'll give him a second bath. But always in the morning, he starts his day off with a nice little soak. And what that humidity is supposed to do is to help the shell be a little bit softer and to grow properly. And in Squirt's case, that is to heal properly. Really?
Slow walk.
Okay, you don't have to walk that slow. You just always kind of run. I don't get a good look at him. Is there something behind me?
No. I mean,
Okay.
there's a rolling door soon.
I came out here and I was showing them. Well, you found it on the ground. I put a float inside
Probably need to take that cooler inside.
Probably. Or in the greenhouse.
Been in all of our videos. Be free! Climb in! You're welcome. Put it in there on the table. Are you okay? You're less okay? Do you need help?
Help! Put my boot on!
Good job. He likes to do it by himself. You want to get in there?
Yeah.
He's telling me which duck not to kill. Okay, go catch the white one, Emmett.
Is it a boy?
No. Okay, let me show you which one to catch, Hannah. There's, oh yes, Emmett got it. Good job. Pass it over to Levi.
Levi!
Hold it for a second. No, don't scare him, don't scare him, don't scare him.
Which one am I gonna catch?
There's one with speckles on its chest on the front. That's the one that's going.
Right here?
It's definitely in there, because it's not over here. Good job, Emmett. You keep holding that duck. Levi, come on!
I got that next one. Is it that
Show me. Turn over here, let me see.
Is it that one, Mom? With the...
No, that's a girl.
Oh, it's this one.
Yep.
This one?
Let me see. Let me see its tail. Turn. Oh, I can't tell now. Nope, it's that one over there. It's that one.
This one?
Oh, good. I missed the transfer. Okay. Now turn, let me see its tail. Yep, that's the one. Transfer. Okay, good job, Emmett.
I like it. It's so beautiful.
I know, we kept his brother. Don't worry. Are you okay? Did it peck you? Well, it's going. It's rude. Okay, everybody else is staying. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I hate that bird.
What happened?
I'm sad that one's a boy. Where are we going?
I don't know.
You guys look like you've been on the hunt. Yeah, that one is pretty. Is that the bigger one?
No.
That's the
Doesn't
small
matter.
one.
They're both the same.
That one will be strong.
Okay.
Hey, I want to hold it.
That's the one that just pecked you and scratched you.
I want to hold one.
Go up there.
Can I? Dad.
use one of these Butcher's brine kits, and I make it just like turkey. Alright, so with these brine kits, all you do is you put these, usually it's a turkey, but these are ducks. So we're going to put these ducks in this bag. And while they sit in this bag, I have the water boiling to make the brine. Now that this water is boiling, this is the brine kit. This is the brine mix. It looks like this. Okay, we turn off the heat. And one of my scissors are in here. 1 second, I need scissors. We're gonna mix this brine. It's like salt, seasonings. We're gonna mix it into this water. It's boiling hot, even though I just turned it off. Okay, once it dissolves, just a little bit in there. I want to get all that goodness out. Once it dissolves, you're going to add 8 cups of cool to cold water. You're also supposed to add ice. I never do that. 4 and 8. Still warm, but it's not like super hot. The next step is going to be to pour this water over the birds. If it's one turkey, it's just one, but I have 3 ducks. The kit comes with a twisty tie. Get all that around there. Wrap it up. Now, see, if you had the 8 cups of ice in there too, it would just be more liquid. I just find I like the brine to be a little bit more potent. Salty. Delicious. All right, now these birds go in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow we will roast them. So that is how I brine my turkey and ducks. And like I said, it's this Butcher's brine kit. I love these. You can find, and you don't have to use the Butcher's brand. There are many brine kits available during this time of year. And if you don't like turkey, try this. I will never go back because it makes it not dry, and that dry turkey flavor, that dry bird that nobody likes. You gotta try brining overnight. It's 1 extra step, it's 12 extra hours, but it's worth it. Then I'm just gonna pop this back into this pan, or soup pot, whatever you want to call it. And then it will go in the fridge to chill overnight. I'll get everybody situated. Ooh, don't poke a hole through that. There we go. Just maneuver everybody around so everybody's happy. Okay. And I'm gonna let this pot cool, and once it cools, I'll pop it in the fridge overnight. There's a bunch of these rose bushes in what's going to be the greenhouse next year. It is a greenhouse, but we have to redo it. So my plan is I'm just gonna cut these all the way down and feed these to the goats. The goats got in here before we put a fence up, and they were eating them and they were loving them. So be careful, Kaden, very sharp. There's thorns on all of them. Okay, what I'm gonna be doing is trimming it way down here. And next spring, I'm gonna be digging up this plant and putting it somewhere else on the property, because I don't want these roses in the greenhouse because they're growing up and ruining the roof anyway. So when we put a new roof on, I don't want this same situation to happen. So these are beautiful plants. I don't think it's gonna hurt them to cut them all the way down. I think it'll help them be healthier in the end. And we'll be digging them up next spring.
Don't we already have one on the property in the front yard?
We do. But
It's right by the tree.
yep, I'm gonna trim that one today too.
Turn.
Not as vigorous, but I am gonna. All right. Where are the girls at? I need the blue collar.
You need what?
I got a blue collar for Ferb from Tiffany. Good girl. Oh, they're all coming. It's not your turn, guys. Just Felicity. She's strong. Come on, girl. Come on. Get up if you want some treats. Good girl. She remembers. Do you need me to hold her?
No.
So we didn't even get one goat hoof trimmed because Brian accidentally trimmed his hoof.
Yeah, all the way to the bone about.
Oh. We never had this happen. We've used that tool many times before for goat trimming.
She just yanked her foot and it pulled out of my hand and whoosh.
So we're cleaning it, but we are gonna take Ryan to the ER so that.
Only reason is because it's all the way down to the bone, so I don't want a deep infection. That would suck. So we will get.
So we're gonna wrap it up before we head over there. Because if the finger was like hanging off or something, we would have just headed immediately. But
Plus, I stunk. I had to get a shower first.
I haven't showered either. Whatever. Well, now he's showered. I haven't, but I'm just gonna take him. My mom is coming over to watch the kids.
And it's starting to bleed
Ow,
again.
ow, 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 ow.
Oh, you open it. Just that.
Do you need this one open? Do
Absorbent.
you need this open? Hannah, open that, please. Thanks. All right, hold this camera, please. Here, this stuff is really sticky. Is Grandma here already? Oh, dang. She drove fast. Can you see Dad's finger? All right. I've got scissors right over here.
You want me to drive Ryan? Because I could go a lot faster than you could in a van.
Oh, I don't. We don't need to go fast. It's not a big deal.
Oh, it's a big deal to me.
Well, yeah, if you want to drive him, I say okay, and then you can roll bushes and stuff.
I already told you I can drive myself.
I don't want your finger is.
Come on, Ryan, let's go.
Finger is fine.
All right.
Your nuts are falling off in my wallet. I
Grandma
need that.
Laura's gonna take. Okay, new plan. Grandma Laura's taking Ryan to the emergency room.
Peace.
All right, so had a crazy day. Cut my finger while we're doing the goat's hoofs. Went to the hospital so they can clean it out and stuff. Because it was with the grinder, they couldn't stitch it up or anything. So all they did was they cut off a bunch of the dead mutilated skin and meat, and then they just had me soak it and wash it out, and then wrapped it and put me on antibiotics. Gave me a new tetanus shot because I can't remember when I got my last one, and that was it. So now we'll be back to working normal soon.
And now I'm editing this video. What a crazy day. Thanks for watching, and if you like and enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye. We'll get the goat hooves on the next one. Wait. Move it down a little. I'll just stand on my toes. Maybe like this. I need a stool. Why am I so short? I know, let's go sit down, because I'm like the same height as you when I sit.
Oh my gosh, this is how today's gonna go.
Testing my camera angle.